This is a Star SR32 CNC Swiss screw machine. Manufactured new in 2000. It has a Fanuc 16TV CNC control. The machine has a main spindle and a sub-spindle. On the main slide there are 6 static turning tools and there are 4 live milling tools. There are 4 front end working and 4 rear working stations on the machine. The main spindle has full C-axis. There's a sub-spindle on the machine, a parts catcher, a small part conveyor, a turbo chip conveyor, and the machine is equipped with an Iemca Boss Model 542/37 magazine bar feed. Here we are going to engage in the video the live tool. This machine is for sale. An online auction at www.machinesused.com.